Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Hanif Khan. I'm a visual artist, art curator and an educator. आज हम जिस एग्जीबिशन के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं उसका नाम है स्पेस, जो कि मैंने इजाज़ आर्ट गैलरी में क्यूरेट की है. इट्स अ कलेक्टिव इवेंट विद लाहौर बिनाले. इसमें 14 आर्टिस्ट को हमने सिलेक्ट किया है जो स्पेस के कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके कहीं ना कहीं उसको डिफरेंट तरीके से दिखा रहे थे, या उनका आइडिया ही मेनली स्पेस के अराउंड रिवॉल्व कर रहा था.
Hello, this is Arhamish Ansari and I am an artist. The title of my work is Flock of Human. Flocking behavior is an essential part of every living thing. As the same, इंसान भी flocking behavior को follow करता है. तो मैंने अपने काम के साथ 3D जो मेरा मीडियम है, क्ले है, उसके साथ प्ले करते हुए मैंने एक फ्लॉकिंग बिहेवियर जो है इंसान का उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया. और उसमें जो मेरे बेसिक मीडियम्स हैं वो टेराकोटा है, वाइट क्ले है, प्लास्टर है और रेज़न है. और उसको यूज़ करने की जो रीज़न है वो ये है कि इंसान किस तरह से डेवलप होता हुआ इंडिविजुअली जैसे चेंज होता है. और
I'm Sania Jafri. I'm a photographer. I work with images, the process of image making and sort of recontextualizing found with old images and new images, mostly ones taken by my father with the same manual Contax camera that I use now. This series is called Highways and Railways, and it was developed as a social commentary on place as more than just a location, to sort of understand whether this sort of infrastructure is enforced upon landscapes rather than developed with them.
My name is Taiba Sabir. I am a visual artist and art educator with a background of textiles and fresco conservation. Currently, I am teaching at the Institute for Art and Culture. The work I have displayed here is titled as The Traces of Self-Inscriptions. My practice is about the consequences and experiences, memories of humans' personalities that are represented through their outer personality, voicing through their acts, gestures and emotions. Usually I work with different materials. I work with different fragile materials connecting with the past heritage belongings, and that I feel that those experiences and memories and visuals should connect to my work.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम उम्मी लैला है. मैंने पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से 2016 में अपना ग्रेजुएशन किया है एंड आई एम करंटली डूइंग माय मास्टर्स फ्रॉम MCA. बेसिकली जो मेरा काम है वो उस एलियनेशन की फीलिंग के बारे में है, वी समटाइम्स फील इन अ डोमेस्टिक सेटिंग एंड एक फैमिली डायनामिक्स के अंदर जो एक आइसोलेशन की फील होती है, उसके बारे में मेरा मोस्टली काम है. और जो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर अंडर सेम शेड, उस फीलिंग के बारे में मेरा काम रिवॉल्व करता है.
My name is Rida Fatma and I am by profession a visual artist. The title of this exhibition is Space, and space itself is a very broad spectrum to define, but I have come up with the display of particular space which will show the infrastructure of human physical existence, and these all work which are on the wall are the representation of the man-made reproduction of their houses. And you will see interconnected spaces in this, in which some of them are historical monuments and some of them are local buildings. So I have drawn a contrast in between them.
Everything around us comprises of layers, be it human behaviors, and tensions, personalities, or even a war. And how a superficial layer is hiding all the layers beneath it. So what I did was, I painted my surrounding and spaces around me transparent, because I wanted my viewer to feel the fear of revelation, because when things are revealed, you get to know things you should not have. That is why I painted everything around me transparent. And I guess this will lead to more confusion and chaos than the clarity itself. My work itself and the process is very inventory, because I discover my visual with the time. It's a kind of meditation for me, because I develop layers upon layers with parda.
मेरा काम बेसिकली जो पर्सपेक्टिव हम आम रूटीन में यूज़ करते हैं, 1 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव, 2 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव या 3 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव, मेरा काम उन पर्सपेक्टिव की लाइंस को देखते हुए, उनके वैनिशिंग पॉइंट को देखते हुए उनकी वैल्यू को डिस्टर्ब करना है। इस डिस्टर्बनेस को मैं कलर के थ्रू, कोलाज के थ्रू या ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ।
Assalamualaikum, I'm Sophia Miraj, or I'm an artist. Currently for this show, I have worked on canvas with ink, and I've worked on layers, and I've built up the shadows. And what I'm trying to basically communicate to the audience is that I'm trying to preserve time, I'm trying to preserve people, memories, and I'm also talking about the fact that sometimes they leave you, sometimes they stay with you, and what remains with you is a certain moment in time which you can only just look back at.